Welcome students for the video lecture of subject concrete technology. So we will see today what is ultrasonic pulse velocity test. So vision of the institute: excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission: impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision of the department: to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then imparting the modern technical skills as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability, to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. Then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Then course outcome: prepare concrete of required specifications. Then unit outcome: describe the need of NDT for the given field situation. Interpret the given data obtained from NDT on given structure. Then program outcomes mapped here are: basic and discipline knowledge, then engineering tools, experimentation and testing, engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment, and then project management. Ultrasonic pulse velocity test. So this sketch show you how the ultrasonic pulse velocity test is carried out. So here this is transmitting transducer and this is receiving transducer. This is concrete, middle one is concrete cube. So here this is time measuring circuit, this is time display unit, receiver amplifier, pulse generator. So this is the sketch of circuit of ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Then what is ultrasonic pulse velocity test? So ultrasonic pulse or wave is generated by pulse generator. This wave is transmitted through transmitter end into the concrete mass and received at the receiver end. मतलब concrete mass में transmitter से transmit की जाती है और receiver से receive की जाती है. The digital display show the time required to pass the wave through the concrete mass. मतलब कितना टाइम लगता है ट्रांसमीटर से रिसीवर एंड तक पहुंचने के लिए वेव्स को, वो इस डिस्प्ले में पता चलता है. द पल्स वेलोसिटी इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय डिवाइडिंग पाथ और वेव लेंथ बाय टाइम ऑफ ट्रैवल. मतलब वेव लेंथ जो है या पाथ जो है दैट इज डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम ऑफ ट्रैवल. तो पल्स वेलोसिटी इज कैलकुलेटेड. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन पल्स वेलोसिटी क्वालिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट इज डिसाइडेड. तो पल्स वेलोसिटी की वैल्यू क्या है उस पर डिपेंड करता है क्वालिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. देन पल्स वेलोसिटी कहाँ यूज़ होती है? टू इवेल्यूएट द क्वालिटी एंड होमोजीनिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट मटेरियल. मतलब कॉन्क्रीट कितना होमोजीनियस है और क्वालिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए पल्स वेलोसिटी टेस्ट का यूज़ होता है. देन टू प्रेडिक्ट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. मतलब जितना पल्स वेलोसिटी आएगी वैल्यू, मतलब जितना टाइम लगेगा ट्रैवल करने के लिए, उसका मतलब उसकी स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा है. देन इवेल्यूएट डायनामिक मॉड्यूलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. Then estimate the depth of cracks in concrete. Detect internal flaws, cracks, honeycombing and pore patches. The test can also be used to evaluate the effectiveness of crack repair. So this is how the pulse velo test is done. Testing is done. So this is the concrete cube whose testing is to be conducted here. This is transmitter, this is receiver. So in this way these probes are attached to the concrete. Pulse velocity is recorded in this screen adapter, it is seen here. Then velocity of ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Apparatus. So apparatus are used are electrical pulse generator, transducer 1 pair, amplifier and electronic timing device. So this is the device or apparatus used in testing of pulse velocity test. Then factors affecting: first is surface condition and moisture content. So surface must be smooth as it affects the test result. Then as the velocity of pulse increases with the increase in moisture condition of the concrete. So concrete surface should be smooth, and if there is moisture in the concrete, pulse velocity will increase. So this influence is more for low grade than high grade. Then it is estimated that the velocity of pulse is in saturated concrete is 2 to 3% more than that of dry concrete. So if moisture is present in the concrete, then it will definitely affect the pulse velocity reading. It will give different or 2 to 3% more reading than the dry concrete. The influence of path length. Concrete is heterogeneous material, so it is essential to select as long as a path for pulse velocity test to avoid error due to concrete heterogeneous property. So long specimen should be used for the testing. Then on site it is carried out on thick structural member and not much affected in such a situation. So if on site थिक कॉन्क्रीट मेंबर्स पे अगर टेस्ट किया तो उतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आता है. वाइल परफॉर्मिंग द टेस्ट इन लेबोरेटरी, पाथ लेंथ इज शॉर्टर ड्यू टू स्मॉल स्पेसिमेंट्स एंड द रिजल्ट्स आर अफेक्टेड. डेफिनेटली if small specimens are used, it will give different reading, and if long specimens are used, as it is heterogeneous material, pulse velocity will be different for different thickness of the structure. The next is influence of temperature of concrete. The test result may affect when the temperature is between 30 and 60 degree. There is a reduction in pulse velocity up to 5%. At freezing temperature, test result affected are 75% as water within concrete also gets a freeze in it. So at freezing temperature टेस्ट रिजल्ट अफेक्ट हो जाते हैं क्योंकि वाटर विद इन द कॉन्क्रीट भी फ्रीज हो जाता है, इसलिए टेम्परेचर भी पल्स वेलोसिटी टेस्ट में अफेक्ट देता है. मतलब लोअर टेम्परेचर जो है वो उसमें अफेक्ट आना ही है. देन इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ स्ट्रेस. व्हेन कॉन्क्रीट इज सब्जेक्टेड टू हाई स्ट्रेस विच हायर देन normal stress designed for a concrete member can create small crack within the concrete and which affect the result of the pulse velocity test. अगर concrete में क्रैक है, स्ट्रेस की वजह से अगर क्रैक्स आए तो उसमें भी पल्स वेलोसिटी टेस्ट का जो रिजल्ट है वो अफेक्ट करता है. Then effect of reinforcing bars. If there is presence of reinforcement in concrete, that will affect the pulse velocity test result. It is because of the fact that pulse velocity in steel is 1.2 to 1.9 times the velocity in plain concrete. तो स्टील में जो पल्स वेलोसिटी जो है वो 1.2 to 1.9 टाइम्स हायर देन द वेलोसिटी इन प्लेन कंक्रीट. तो दोनों में वेलोसिटी चेंज होती है, इसीलिए जब कंक्रीट में रेनफोर्समेंट बार्स प्रेजेंट है तो पल्स वेलोसिटी टेस्ट ये हायर वैल्यू देगा. देन वेलोसिटी क्राइटेरिया फॉर कंक्रीट क्वालिटी ग्रेडिंग. सो अगर पल्स वेलोसिटी अबव 4.5 है तो एक्सेलेंट कंक्रीट, 3.5 to 4.5 तो गुड, 3 to 3.5 है तो मीडियम, बिलो 3 है तो डाउटफुल. सो दीज आर द वैल्यूज. सो समरी, what is the ultrasonic pulse velocity test, what are the objectives of ultrasonic pulse velocity test, what are the apparatus required, then factors affecting ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Assignment: explain in detail ultrasonic pulse velocity test, explain the factors affecting ultrasonic pulse velocity test. So this was all about today's lecture. Thank you.